Hi everybody, I'm Dan. I have Dr. Bilski here with Bilski Dental. How's it going?
Good. It's last time we did this, I think you remember, it was early in the morning.
It was cold.
It was, I think, 7 degrees.
Yeah, it was 7 degrees, and you had on a heated computerized vest,
yes,
which I talk about all the time for like so many people. And
now if they had an air-conditioned one, I would use it today because I came in, it was 89 degrees.
Yeah.
So a huge differential.
It's kind of funny you're thinking about that because I'm driving in here and I'm looking at the temperature on my car and it says 90 degrees and I'm thinking the exact same thing. Like the last time I did the shoot, it was you and I and the rest of the city was like on lockdown because it was a snowstorm.
Exactly. It's very, very chilly, very, I don't like it. I like this better.
100%. And it's actually easier to get here too. So speaking of warm weather and nice outside, you got something going on in the front. What's your hobby here in the front of your space?
I don't know if it's a hobby or something that has to get done every year. So
I think this is something that makes you happy, and whether you know it or not, but I think it makes the customers happy too. So
yeah, I like what I do. So what we're referring to is I plant flowers every spring, usually in May. Yeah. And most people don't know that. And for a lot of good reasons, a lot of different reasons why I do it, it's sometimes hard to get somebody there on a little couple pots here, some chairs. Right. What we're trying to do is just invite people to come on in and maybe make it feel a little bit more homey. Right. Instead of having this dental facility that smells of clove and dental stuff. And well, we want to, first impressions are lasting. So we want to have that perception when you walk in, or perspective. Yeah. So I planted a bunch of flowers, and everybody, it's not just specific to women. Men and women come in and they say, hey, the flowers look great. Who did it? And the girls at the front say, you're not going to believe it, but Dr. Bilski did that. So it's kind of been a joke back and forth. And I've been doing this for 16 years in this specific location. And I took a photo, and we'll probably show it to you in a little bit. There's actually a snow shovel leaning up against the wall in the inside foyer. So it was May, but it was kind of cold a few weeks ago, and it was raining and getting down to like...
Which is normal. Yeah. It was, I think it was even snowing 2 weeks ago. Now it's 90.
Cleveland. So if you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes.
Yeah, just wait 10 minutes, right.
So the kind of the thing that was going around, we posted on Facebook, do I put away the snow shovel because the flowers are in their pots, or do I leave the snow shovel? So we actually had a little contest. Anybody who gave us a little bit of a shout out on that, we enter them into a lottery for a Bilski Garden gift card for $100.
That's awesome. So, that's really cool.
That's the idea behind the flowers.
Well, there you go. I mean, I guess there's a lesson here for those of you that appreciate the small things in life. Sometimes there's a surprise around the corner. But the other thing that I think is interesting too is just like those flowers, you're nurturing your patients. Not to wind that up in here, but I do think that there's a piece of that in there. It's like, you're taking care of teeth, you're making mouths better, you're planting seeds, and here we are, we have flowers. So it's one and the same, right?
Trying to show that we're relatable, and that we actually do other things to make people happy instead of just talking about nerdy teeth.
Yeah, I got 100%. So there you go, Dr. Bilski. He does other things outside of teeth, flowers. That's pretty sweet. So, and heated vests in the winter.
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll show you. Go look that video up on his website. You'll see that one too.
Come on in. Look at the flowers, or come in for a cleaning. Or if you just want to get a cup of coffee from Babe's Cafe and Bakery right down the street from me, or right down, a couple doors down, I should say. First cup's on me.
There you go. All right, guys. We're happy you visited the website. Look forward to seeing you at the office. Thank you.